Hi there, I'm Hannah Healy from Healy Eats Real, and today I'm going to show you how to sprout lentils. It's a really easy process, and I'm going to walk you through step by step. And once they're done, you can eat them raw on salads or in sandwiches or in bowls, or you can cook them, add them to a soup or chili, or put them on tacos, whatever you want. Sprouting is a really great process because it really brings out additional nutrients, and it makes it a lot easier to digest. So enjoy!
So the supplies you'll need are just the lentils, a sprouting lid, and a mason jar. Then you're going to fill the mason jar with a half a cup of lentils, and then you're going to rinse the lentils just with one little rinse with water, and you can use that sprouting lid for that. Then you're going to add some water to the jar and let that soak for 8 hours. Then you will sort of drain it upside down, propped up on a bowl or something. And then you want to make sure to rinse it 2 times a day for about 2 to 3 days until you see that it starts to sprout. And you'll see those little thread-like sprouts coming out of the lentils there that you can see. And once they're about a half an inch to an inch long, then you know that they are done and ready to be put away. Then you will dry them out on paper towels or a dish towel. Once they're dry, store them in the fridge. I like to use a paper towel lined container like this, like a Tupperware container, just so that they stay nice and dry. And then you kind of cover them up to make sure they stay dry and put them in the fridge, and then you're done.